Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to solve a quadratic inequality. Let's look at a typical example. How do you solve x squared minus 12x plus 35 is less than 0? Well, first assume that this is a quadratic expression that's equal to 0. So we've got x squared minus 12x plus 35 is equal to 0. Then factorize in order to find the values of x that make this expression equal to 0. To do this, notice that the coefficient of the x squared term is equal to 1. This means we can use the fact that two numbers multiply to give 35 and add to give minus 12. And the two numbers must therefore be minus 5 and minus 7. So we have x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here, we've got two terms multiplied together that are equal to 0. And to satisfy this equation, x must be equal to 5 and x must be equal to 7. Okay, so what we've just found is the values of x where this quadratic function is equal to 0. Or in other words, where this graph crosses the x-axis, which is where the value of y is equal to 0. But the question doesn't ask for this. Instead, it requires us to find the range of values of x where the quadratic function is less than 0. And as you can see, the graph is less than 0 in this region. So what values of x correspond to this region? It's all values of x greater than 5 and all values of x less than 7. And this can be written as inequalities in the form x is greater than 5 and x is less than 7. Or we can write this all in one as 5 is less than x, which is less than 7. Okay, so that's how you solve a quadratic inequality. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where you'll find more videos for GCSE maths. Thanks for watching.